Shidim Shuri. Uh, Hopefully this time it will work correctly. Good news, bad news. I am streaming from the old computer because I finally got Thinkorswim to work on this old computer after 2+ days of it won't load. That's the good news. The bad news is, well, the bad news is the old computers still have a lot of problem. Um, can't use Chrome. Wi-Fi stopped working. It's all kind of problem. So I'm glad I bought the new. The new computer is fantastic. It's great. It's gorgeous. But here's a big but. Here's the bad news. I cannot get OBS to work with Thinkorswim correctly on that computer to stream. I tried. I tested out for a long time last night, and the quality of the video, for whatever reason, was so poor that the number was not clear on the screen. I had to figure out how to fix that setup to make it work. The screen is beautiful. On the screen is great, but when it streamed on YouTube, somehow the quality of the stream was extremely poor. So I don't know what's going on there. So for now, as long as the old computer still work, yes, it's a pain to still keep the old computer. I'd rather just bring it to Apple shop one of these days and have it recycled. But if it works, and that's the only way I can stream Thinkorswim, it is what it is. Okay, all right, real quick. So let's go with BTC. Looking good. I did drew in a channel, this new white line here, but it's not really that useful. Okay, so I'm gonna take that out, remove that. Should it pierce to 1025? Right now I have a trim order in at 1025 IBIT equivalent. After that, you potentially can look at 105 is the next trim spot. If it break through that, now that line, okay, that yellow line is, let me show you what that's from. This here, you see this? Resistant, 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 bang, 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 and then boom, touch that. So that's where that line come from. Okay. Ethereum, it was a bargain when it come down to the, let's go back to 1 year chart. 1 year chart, it was a bargain down here. I have ordered in. I bought a little bit. I have more orders sit down there, but for now, I'm gonna stay greedy. My first potential trim is up there, 3,600. No, 3,800. I mean, 3,800 to 4,100. That's the spot that I would trim some. But for now, I'm gonna stay greedy. I rather add down here below 3,100. All right. Major indices. If I could, I would look to short on any pop higher, but it would be my multiple attempt of fail trying to do a bear spread. But other than that, I'm not chasing here. No. And this is the same with all of them. Okay. SPY, same thing. It's, to me, it's not worth chasing and certainly not worth shorting. So it's nah. QQQ, same thing. Not worth shorting, not worth buying. No. Now, if the QQQ came down to the 100, yeah, I would. 50, that's a tough one. But the 100, absolutely. Okay. IWM, I had ordered in to nip some share at the gap fill as well as sell put spread. Didn't happen. Wouldn't chase it here either. All right, Max 7. I'm gonna go through this real quick. Okay, Tesla, congratulations. Tesla and Apple are two of the stocks that I'm very bad at trading. Okay, I tend to miss it, and hey, if you're in it, congratulations. I wouldn't be chasing it here, but what do I know? Apple, same thing. Yeah, it's now. Would I buy Apple in this gray line like when it came down here? Yeah, but What would be the reason? I don't know. I just bought the brand new M4 Mac Mini. Love it. I don't love it enough to go chase the stock here. Amazon. Now that's interesting here. Would I buy Amazon here? No, maybe 50. Maybe if it come down to the 50, I wouldn't mind selling put spread down here at 185, 180. Right? Outright buying at the 200 MA confluence with the 61.8 fib and the channel low. Yeah. 182, 183. Yeah. Give it. Selling put spread down there. Yeah. Google. I actually like Google here. I trim up here, right? I trim. I didn't like Google here. I say the ad boom, the election boom is over. But now that it is way down here, I like, right? Let the fear mongering of Google break up. The parts are worth more than the sum. So please do. Okay, I would mind selling Google spread down here 158, 155, and add more share. Bet I would add all the share that I trim up here. I have an order sitting at 162. Okay, so hey, $19 lower than my exit point. I take. Meta, tough one. It's a tough one because I don't have a lot. I wouldn't mind holding, but would I add at the 100? What I would do is maybe put a stop on some of the share at 549. Right, that's a low of Thursday, and then put in the same order to buy the same amount of share back here. Hey, it's $5, right? No, it's $10. 549, buy back at 539. That easy. Okay, that would be something that I would consider doing. Netflix is another one that I tend to miss a lot. So it is near the top. I would not be greedy here. It have went up a lot. The fifth extension. See, this is the fifth extension, and it has fulfilled almost to the fifth extension. So I think the top is in for now. Nvidia. Tough one. I trim a lot, and I don't mind holding the rest, to be honest. I don't mind holding the rest to have some exposure there, but would I add at the 100? Yes. But for now, there's no need to add more or trim more. I don't mind, it's not a huge position, so I don't mind holding. But if I would sell put spread down here, 125, 120 put spread, if there's any juice, I don't think there is much, unless you go out to the end of the year. But that's too far, okay? Adobe, I'm out. I've been out up here on this pop. I did sell put spread down here on this dump. Now, would I buy the share back? And remember, Adobe, the earnings season is over for 90% of the company or more. Adobe is one of the few that still have it coming. It has one of those weird quarterly system where it's not March, June, September, December. It has January, April, July, October. So the earnings tend to be somewhat off. So there's earning coming up, right? So in 2 weeks, I believe. So watch out. Be careful. Would I buy Adobe? Well, depend on what's going to happen, right? Depend. IBM, gap fill, right? If you have it, good, congratulations, gap fill, yeah. Oracle, wow, yeah. It's another one that I missed. I keep trying to look for a spot to buy, but no. See, every gap up. Yeah, that was the one that I thought about. I contemplating, and then this get up, another chance. This get up, not a chance. So yeah, the last couple gap up, yeah. See this gap up, it retraced fully. This gap up, it retraced fully. So I'm just like, oh, I might be able to get back in by 142. Not a chance. See ya. um, all right, let's move on real quick to some pharma. All the pharma are the same. Okay, I don't need to belate the issues and show you 10 tickers of pharma that are doing poorly. We all know. I talk about this. But I do think the initial knee-jerk reaction of Bobby Jr., Bobby Kennedy, is of course, fear is always overblown. Just the pendulum between fear and greed is always swing too far on both direction, and it definitely swung way too far, right? So I like AbbVie. I bought a few share, sold some put spread, made money. I'm holding it. Would I buy more if it come down? Yeah, I like AbbVie here, but there's no need to chase. And if it keep on going higher, that's fine. I get enough exposure on many other things that are doing very poorly. So just do not waste time, because all the chart from Merck, Pfizer, Eli Lilly, Novo Nordisk, you name it, they're all ugly. Okay, they all suffer the same Bobby Kennedy Jr. knee-jerk sell-off. But I will talk about BBIO. They halt trading after hour Friday because of the approval. There's gonna be a pop. There's no way to tell until 7 a.m. We had to wait until 7 a.m. tomorrow to see where the initial pop is gonna be. Will it be 27? Would I trim at 27? Maybe a little bit to be disciplined. Would I trim at 28? Maybe a little just to be disciplined. But the big trim is up here. Okay, ref high 30, 31, 32. Yeah, that's where I would go ham on my position. So that's the plan. All right, banks, not much to do. They're all booming. There's no chasing here. Goldman Sachs, no. Visa, no. AXP, no. Bank of America, no. Morgan Stanley, no. Yes, I am all out. I'm all out on all of them, and I will be patient, waiting. I don't need to go through any more ticker. There is no need to chase any of them. If you have it, congratulations. You should at least lock in some gains, set your stop. But no, I understand why they're up, but at the same time, I'm fine not being in it. Okay, my exposure to financial is in Bitcoin, Ethereum. I bid, and they're doing just fine. Thank you. Um, let's talk gold. Nice bounce, nice bounce. Okay, nice bounce. GDX, nice, nice. Okay. Like I said, if you didn't buy GDX down here, hey, I have a couple hundred shares got assigned in the 37.5, even 38. All right, so yeah, the average cost is like just below 37 ish. I think 30, above 37. I mean, my average cost on my GDX is above 37. Not complaining, right? Not complaining. It's fine. I don't. What is to hate here? Would I trim? Would I sell cover call? Yeah, 40 and above. Rinse and repeat. Let's talk energy real quick. USO, no. If USO come down to the 70 again, as it has, then selling 66, 67 kind of put spread, that's fine. All right. No need to be, there is no need to be up here. Okay. There's no need to chase it here. Not that I believe drill, baby drill, is going to come to fruition as far as, more money spent. I don't need to go into another explanation of why I think drill baby drill is just a nice slogan that the president can do whatever he wants. President Trump can go in there, relax regulation, open up a path for them to drill and drill. The bottom line is these company didn't do it. Let me repeat, they didn't do it the last time he was in the office because they got enough well to pump. We are producing more oil, pumping more oil today than ever. Okay, so yeah, I don't buy that they're gonna spend billions in expanding exploration and drilling. Hey, I could be wrong, but now if drill baby drill is resulting in them expanding more into exploration and drilling, do you think oil is gonna stay high? No, of course not, right? But at the same time, I think this weakness in oil is the fear of drill baby drill as well as a weak demand. The demand, okay? This is nonsense. All this pop up here to the 80s are nonsense. Baseless nonsense. CVX, nonsense. What? Oh, hey, if you bought CVX, remember, I contemplated buying CVX down here, right? I talk about that for those that have somewhat of a memory. But no, 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 no. Oxy, yeah, no. Warren Buffett has been deadly silent on Oxy, so no. If you love Oxy, $7, $8 higher, and stay silent for the past 2 months, no. XOM, no, 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 no. There is no way I'm chasing this stuff. Okay. Now CTRA, I did exit. It was nice. It was a annoying 4 months, but it turned out to be a winner, a small winner. But no, you know why? CTRA did well. There you go. I'm playing the natural gas price, right? Natural gas price is year high. It is what it is. Commodity, that's how you got to play. That's it for now. I'm gonna keep it short. I will return on Monday with a focus on some Chinese stocks. Later, enjoy your Sunday football.